Hey guys, so in this video, I will be showing you guys how to download Google Play Store on iPhone. So as you can see, we got Play Store right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to download. So this is not for everyone, it's for smart thinkers. So if you can't think smart, you're not going to be able to get it. So first thing we're going to do is go in Matrix Mods and find Play Store and download. And before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You need to download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% free. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say like missing files or whatever. So you just want to download some of these. So you can see there's tons of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. TikTok down for 30 seconds. Wiser Than Me. I gotta like subscribe to something. So just make sure you guys do 2 of these, and then you will get the Play Store on your device. You can watch all the Android games and apps that are not on the App Store. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are interested. So yeah, it's super cool. So yeah, definitely try it out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, if you guys are poor, guys, and you do need Play Store, like I understand, because like most people can't afford an iPhone and an Android. I understand the desire to have those secret Android apps. I get it. So just do like Free Cell Classic Card Game or something. Like this one's like search and install to earn. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out for myself. This is updated, and it's iOS, Android, everyone's invited, so enjoy.